This question tells us that when wheel B turns 3 revolutions, wheel A turns 7 revolutions because wheel B is bigger. We can see that. When wheel A turns 63 revolutions, how many revolutions does wheel B turn? These kinds of questions can be confusing unless we set up a proportion table to help us organize our data. Here we're looking at the two different variables here on the left-hand side, wheel A and wheel B. We're going to create a ratio of those two, and we're going to find the number of revolutions for wheel B. So we'll put down number on the upper right-hand column. The first sentence tells us that wheel B turns 3 revolutions and wheel A turns 7 revolutions. So we'll write down 3 for B and 7 for A. And it tells us that wheel A turns 63 revolutions and then asks us how many wheel B has, and that's our unknown. Setting up in the proportion table is helpful then, helps us to organize things. For our proportion table that we can write over here and get rid of that diagram, 7 over 3, 7/3 equals 63 over x. So that is our proportion to solve this problem. One way we can solve this is to cross multiply. 3 times 63. 3 times 63, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 6 is 18, and we can divide that 189, the answer to that, by 7. 189 divided by 7. 7 goes into 18 2 times. 14 with 4 left over, bring down the 9. 7 goes into 49 7 times. So the answer is 27. That is the number of revolutions for wheel B when wheel A turns 63 times. You may notice that there's another way that we can approach this problem. You may see that 7 times 9 is 63. So we could also solve this by taking 3 times 9. And that's going to give us 27. So 27 is the answer that we get if we cross multiply. And it's also the answer that we get if we multiply 3 times 9, which gives us 27. So the number of revolutions for wheel B when wheel A turns 63 times is 27 revolutions. When you understand this question, go ahead and try the practice problem that's grouped with this question on the homework quiz for this week.